Hey guys, what's up? Beast and Beast Toys here coming at you. Gonna do an opening. Got a Mega Man Wave 1 Jada Toys Fireman. So, been looking forward to doing these. I have Wave 1 and 2 currently. I'm going to plan to continue to buy these. These are $19.99 in most places. 20 and 21, or 21 and 22 at the most in some, if you look around. And here he is. Gonna come with a looks like they're neat. They have these stands, and you can put, it's crazy. I mean, it's just like, I thought the stand would be for the figure, right? So they have these stands, and they're for the for a piece of the like the web, or whatever they shoot. They're man, I'm just sitting here drawing a blank. Their powers, whatever you want to call it. So if it's fire, and then like Iceman has an ice thing, like kind of like in the game, just got the little arrow-looking ice thing that he shoots. His ice. Can't even think of the name of it. I'm telling you, I'm off. I don't know what the deal is. Sunday evening, I guess. All right, so. Yeah, I bought into this line. Here's the inside, just kind of a robotic look of sorts. Bought into this line. Went and bought, I'll lay that down. Bought everything for this first two waves. Entertainment Earth is where I got them. They had them. Here is the flame. It's going to have a hole there, and that's what you're going to stick in this piece up here. When you put this on. If you didn't watch my Mega Man, I did a Mega Man video last week, I believe. So I'm off and running with one figure, and he's actually right over there on top of the box. Because as always, I've got to Flame's piece falls off. So that's interesting. So what you can do, you can change his head, and you change the flame piece on his head. That's kind of neat. You can put these flame pieces on his hands, kind of like with the Mega Buster, so to say. Now, I'm going to warn you, you're going to want to be very careful getting this piece out. I just had to carefully pop that out, and I say carefully, I was a little rougher than I like to be. So there we are with that. I have to find a place to display these. I like the looks of these a lot. I'm very excited. Mega Man is something near and dear to my heart as a collector, not just as a collector, but as a gamer and a fan of stuff. So the thing I'll show you is, here he is, and you can see here, you can turn him in right there. I readjusted backside. You can bend the legs. We're going to try and check stuff out a little bit. You can bend the legs. There are no stands. Legs are no peg holes in the bottom of your legs, so you're going to have to stand your guy up, but they will stand okay. I'll stand him here and show you. He stands just fine. They're pretty fat feet or wide feet. So you can put your flame in. I mean, you can change. It looks a little better with this one, I think. Or you can do a little, it's funny, you can just kind of switch these around. Oh, well, no, that one doesn't quite fit very well because it's got a little curvature here. I was going to think it was going to make it look like a mohawk. Seriously, it was, look, I can't really get it to work. Oh, maybe you can slightly. Look at that, kind of get a mohawk look. You can kind of put it in there. Okay, close, kind of fits. Not great, though. Not really the one you're going to use. This one's the one right here that's kind of built for it because it's kind of a flatter one, as you can tell. If you look at this one, it's rounded off, so it fits, but it's not the one you want. You want this flatter one here. I'm going to change heads as I like the slightly meaner look. Just be careful, I'm going to tell you right now. Hard to say how this is going to turn out. I think I have it on there. It's not great, or it's in there. It's not great, I say. Well, I'm trying to make it good. So yeah, then you can put these flames on. So yeah, then you got, here's your fireman. Fireman. So here he is, basically with everything on. So pretty cool. Like I said, I like these figures a lot. They're 4-inch figures. They're not super tall. Comes with the extra head. You can put these pieces in, and you can make your own as it shows here. I can set it up, and then it makes it, I can make it look like I'm shooting. So that's just kind of the look. You kind of set it up where he shoots it, and then this sits away, so it's looking like it's shooting. So if you were gonna set your figures up, I'm assuming what they want you to do is doll it up where it looks like he's shooting. So if I do it like that, then it kind of looks like, I know that's kind of a distant look from there, but if you can see it or understand, I can slide it and looks like he shot the flame, and then here it goes. So Flame Man, sorry, he's later on. Fireman, his shot goes pretty quick, and it looks about like this. So did a good job, did a good job of doing that and setting it up. So all right, guys, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to these. These little video reviews will be fairly short and sweet because there's not a ton of stuff to show off. Little, you know, obviously there's some articulation, which I showed you in the arms and the legs. The arms are short. That's the only thing that's kind of, I guess, but they kind of have to be with the Robot Masters. Your arms aren't going to be super long. These are short. Mega Man's a smaller character of sort in the grand scheme of things. So, all right, guys, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And, guys, as always, with Fireman, or turning towards you, with Fireman, thanks for watching on Beast from Beast Toys. We'll see you.